this, and with that, viewers, we move on. And now the UAE has announced a strict new digital safety rule that bans children below the age of 15 from creating or using full social media accounts on platforms like TikTok, Instagram and Snapchat. The decision builds on the 2025 Child Digital Safety Law aimed at protecting children from harmful content, excessive screen time and online risks. Now, under the new framework, teenagers aged 15 to 16 will have restricted access with mandatory parental controls, time limits and strict age verification using digital ID and AI systems. Social media platforms have been given 12 months to comply with the rules, with full implementation expected early next year. Atul Ranjan is joining us on this. Atul, UAE becoming the latest such country to put restrictions on social media as far as use by children is concerned. What reasons have been cited in the UAE for this ban?
Well, of course, the United Arab Emirates has become probably the first Arab nation, to introduce such a ban after, Australia a couple of years ago did such a ban, and then we have seen several countries following suit. And now the first Arab country, UAE, has also introduced a ban for social media when it comes to children under the age of 15. Now, children under 15, according to the ban, are prohibited from creating or using, any sort of personal accounts on any kind of social media platform. Now, the ban essentially applies in two different ways. While one of them is complete ban, the other is a sort of a restriction. So, for people, for kids who are under 15, children of that age cannot create, cannot operate, or any use such as any personal accounts. Post any content, comment or share, absolute ban. So for under 15. Now for kids who are say in the age of 15 to 16, those teenagers are permitted to use platforms, but under strict safety mandate, and which includes content controls, parental supervision, and as well as the screen time limits has also been mandated. Now the companies who obviously all the companies who operate in the UAE have been asked to implement this age verification check, digital IDs, AI systems, whatever it takes that must be introduced to implement this check, and obviously need to forbid any under 15 kids from using it, or even the ban also essentially asks the companies to not use any personal data for any targeted advertising when it comes to under 15 kids. Now, the platforms have been given a 12-month period to comply with these regulations, but if they fail to do that post that, then obviously they will face penalties like partial or complete service blocking. Now, obviously, the reason that is being cited is the excessive screen time that has sparked concern across the globe when it comes to kids who are essentially seen as somebody growing up with devices all around them and not getting other exposures, limiting their extracurricular activities and all sort of that thing. So that again has sparked concern in UAE, and where the government has finally decided to ban social media for kids under 15.
Yes, of course. Atul, thank you for giving us these additional details. And now, viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today met co-founder and